Hello students, welcome back to my channel, that is Study with Prabin sir. Today we will solve 4 SSC previous year questions on percentage. These questions are very important for SSC exams like CGL, CHSL, MTS, CPO and GDs. So take your notebook and pen and try to solve along with me. Let's start. Question number 19. If the price of rice be raised by 25%, the percent by which a householder must reduce his consumption of rice so as not to increase his expenditure on rice is dash. Here we have a formula. I have already told that formula in my complete percentage chapter. You can go through that link that is given in the description box. Now here, if the price of a commodity be raised by R percentage, then the percentage reduction in its consumption so as not to increase the expenditure is R divided by 100 plus R into 100 whole percentage. Now here R is 25. So 25 by 100 plus 25 into 100. This is the percentage. Now that is equal to 25 by 125 into 100 percentage. Yeah, it is bracket. So that is equal to here 25 5s are 1 25. Then when this 100 is divided by 5, it becomes 20. So here answer is 20%. That means option 4 is the right answer. Now next question, that is question 20. A student has to secure 40% marks to pass. He gets 90 marks and fails by 10 marks. That means pass percentage is 40%. So 40% is equal to a student gets 90 marks and fails by 10 marks. That means pass mark is 100 mark. So this is how this comes, 90 plus 10. So that is equal to 100. Now 40% is equal to 100. 1% is equal to 100 by 40 and maximum mark is 100%. So 100% is equal to 100 by 40 into 100. So after solving, we will get this is equal to 250. That means your option 3 is the right answer. Now next question, that is question number 21. In an examination, 65% of the students passed in mathematics, 48% passed in physics and 30% passed in both. How much percent of students failed in both the subjects? Now here we can solve this question by using the Venn diagram. Here this is 100%. That means total is 100% and 65% student passed in mathematics. Here this is 65% math and it is 65%. 65%. Now 48% of the students, here it is physics, and 48% of the students passed in physics and 30% in both. Here this is the 30% both. Here it is 30%. Now here listen, this Venn diagram, this both the circle represents the total pass percentage. Now we have to find the fail percentage. Now 65% of the students passed in mathematics. So only in mathematics. So passed only in mathematics is passed only in math. Only in math is equal to 65 minus 30. 65% minus 30%, and this is percentage. So that is equal to 35%. Only passed only in physics. So here this is the passed only in math. Here this is only in math. Now only in physics. Now this is only in physics. Suppose this is physics, only in physics. So passed only in physics is equal to 48 minus 30%. So that is equal to 18%. Now total pass percentage is here. I have to write here. Now total pass percentage is pass percentage is equal to 35 plus 18 plus 30. Now this is only in math 35%, only in physics 18%, and both 30%. So this is equal to here 83%. So fail percent is, so fail percent is so fail percentage is equal to 100% minus 83%. So that is equal to 17%. Now here option 1 is the right answer. Now one formula is there. And what is that formula? Suppose total pass percentage is, suppose one subject is mathematics, another one is the physics. So here Now here, this is the total pass percentage, mathematics and physics. This is the pass percentage in mathematics, this is the pass percentage in physics, and this is pass percent in both. Now this is equal to 65 plus 48 minus 30. So after solving, we'll get it as 83%. So percentage fail student is equal to 100% minus 83%. So that is equal to 17%. That means here option 1 is the right answer. I have to write here this as 65%, this is 48%, and this is 30%. Now next question. That is question number 22. Two students appear for an examination. One of them secured 9 marks more than the other. His marks were 56% of the sum of their marks, the marks obtained by them. Suppose one student is getting X. This is one student, another student is getting X plus 9. Now the student who is getting 9 marks more than the other, his marks were 56% of the sum of their marks. That means X plus 9 is equal to 56% of sum of their marks. Sum of their mark is X plus 9. So that is equal to 56 by 100 into 2x plus 9. 2x plus 9. Now this implies 100x plus 900. This 100 come to this side, so it becomes multiplied with x and with 9. So when it is multiplied with x, it becomes 100x, and when it is multiplied with 9, it becomes 900. So that is equal to 56 into 2, it is 112x plus 56 into 9, it is 504. Now this implies 112x minus 100x is equal to 900 minus 504. Now after solving, we are getting it as this implies 12x is equal to 12x is equal to 396. This implies x is equal to 396 divided by 12. So it becomes, when 396 is divided by 12, it becomes 33. Now one student is getting 33, so other student is getting 33 plus 9. Other student is getting 33 plus 9. So x plus 9, so 33 plus 9 that is equal to 42. That means option 3 is the right answer. So students, today we solved 4 SSC previous year questions on percentage. If you found this video helpful, like the video, share with friends, subscribe to the channel for more SSC Maths previous year question videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.